Hello Parnassians, it's me again, Magister Beck, and I'm here to introduce our week number 2 Minute to Win It competition. Last week was the sock toss and all of you guys did great, but we're still compiling all the data to see who the winner was for each grade level. But for this week, week 2, we're going to do a scarf toss. So I want you to go around your house before you do this and try to find a scarf. If you cannot find a scarf, you can use a washcloth or a Kleenex. A Kleenex will work really well, especially if you're inside, because it will float slowly in order for you to catch it again. I'm going to use a washcloth just because I'm outside and I tried using a Kleenex and it just blew away. So for this, we want you to do it at least 2 times using your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand. Your dominant hand is a hand you throw with and you write with. I throw and write with my right hand, so my dominant hand is my right hand. And then we want you to do 60 seconds with your non-dominant hand, the hand you do not throw or write with. And then you can do it a 3rd time if you want, using both hands, throwing and catching with both hands. So, what you're going to do is get the kitchen timer, the cell phone, stopwatch, have mom, dad, brother, sister set it for you for 60 seconds, 1 minute. And what you want to do is you're going to toss it up with flicking your wrist, and then as it comes down, you want to grab it and catch it, and then just keep on doing it. So toss it up, catch it. Toss it up, catch it. You don't want to throw it so high that you're waiting for 10 seconds for it to come down, because you just want to toss it up just at head level or a little higher, and then catch it again. So 60 seconds with your dominant hand, the hand you write with, 60 seconds with your non-dominant hand, and then you can do it again using both hands if you want. And then just send your data in to your homeroom teacher or SST teacher, and we'll get all that data figured out and figure out who the winner is for the sock toss and the scarf toss. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week, and I'll talk to you next Wednesday.